Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing an indie game made in Unity from Itch.io called Planet Realm. Quick little thing before we start, I have disabled, or rather turned off the the music volume, basically because it is a copyright sound, and I don't fancy a copyright strike on my channel. If you fancy a go at this game, I will leave a link in the description, as always. So yeah, let's get to it. I have started up once. Didn't really do anything. I just got to this menu, and that was about it, just to turn off the music. First impressions of it looks like a low poly No Man's Sky kind of. So yeah, I'm assuming gameplay. Okay, back. Okay, continue. Wow. Okay. All right. So I'm guessing I can just kind of roam around and follow paths in a weird kind of way. Just as I was coming down there, it kind of gave me a Borderlands impression. It's probably just me, but yeah, it is weird. It's very visually, it's simple, but it's kind of nice. I like it. It's described as a puzzle game. So I'm not sure what kind of puzzle elements we're going to face, but I am looking forward to whatever they may be. So the game says that it is set in a beautiful world of colourful tiny planets. Okay. So yeah, I'm following the path down, and I'm not quite sure where it's. Have I just been across? Have I just gone around in a big? I think I've just gone around a big circle, haven't I? Yeah, I have. Okay, so oh. Okay, I'm not controlling the movement. I'm controlling the look of the camera, but I'm not controlling the movement. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm going to. Looks like that orange planet there. That looks like where I'm going. Okay. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look. See. And down. Okay. Shift. Yeah, I know shift is run. Okay. Oh, are they my footprints? Because there's no footprints here. If I turn around, they are my footprints. That's clever. Because then I know where I have been and where I haven't been. That's good. I like that. Okay, so let's go this way. I'm going to run this way. Oh, is that a dead end? Oh, no, maybe not. So I'll run down this way. And this one is a dead end. All right. Okay, let's follow my footprints back. That's a big rock. Okay, this way. I've got no footprints. Oh, another dead end. Damn it. I wonder how long the footprints last. I wonder if they're there permanently. They do look like they are, which is good. So, okay, let's go down this way. That's dead end there. So it's got to be this way. Means it's got to be this way. Down here. Ooh, what's this? Could this be the way? Could this be it? So it's. I think it's a puzzle in the term. It's a maze. So the maze is tricky to navigate through. It says tiny planets, but I don't feel this is tiny. I feel this is monstrous. I'm just kind of running around aimlessly. I keep seeing those big spirally things in the distance, thinking, "Oh, they're going to take. Look at that planet. I want to get there. Let's try and get there." Sorry, I lost my train of thought then. Yeah, yeah. I forgot what I was saying. If you can remember, dead end. Is it lying? I'm gonna have a look. I don't believe it. I think it's a trick. It's a scam. It's fake news. Well, so far it's not a dead end. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. I mean, the sound, yeah. Well, you know, I just didn't believe you, that's all. That was my own fault. That was my own fault. Okay, so it's backtracked, follow the footprints. Where was the sign? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so there's the sign there saying dead end. Yeah. Sure. Okay, so if we go this way then. This way may not be... Is that... Okay, so that's another possible way to go. Oh, aye. That's a dead end, so it's got to be this way. Okay, yeah. I'll tell you what, if it weren't for them footprints, I would be lost, I think. Right, okay, T-junction. Left or right? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, this way. Oh, is that it? I'm there. Oh, I thought it was there. Damn it. I thought I was there. I really did. So let's go this way then. Maybe this one kind of curls back around. Another T-junction. Okay, I'm going to go right. I'm going to go right. I've got a feeling. I've got a feeling that I'm just going around to a dead ass. Damn. Okay, so let's follow the footprints back. And let's go this way. Seriously, I mean, how many wrong... What's that? Well played, you reached the wrong side of the maze. We feel bad for wasting your time, miss. Oh my god. Well, what's it say on the other side of the sign? What? Planet Realm Origins. Picture from Facebook feed that gave us the inspiration for a game world that kicked off the whole... Wow! Kudos to that. Wow. That's... You know, I suppose inspiration can come from anywhere. It really can. Okay, so we appear to be completely the wrong side. So I'm going to backtrack. Backtrack. Still running. Oh, I've gone the wrong way again. I've gone... okay, so this way. This way. And this... Oh, I don't know now. Because I got here, didn't I? And said, oh, I thought it was there, but it wasn't. Okay. I am lost. I am completely lost now. So that just kind of ruins everything for me. And yeah, I've obviously been this way because the footprints are there. So I'm going to try and be clever now. I'm going to try and be clever. Jimmy being clever is a wonder. Okay. This way? No. Do you know what? I'm getting myself lost again. I'm back here. How am I back here? How am I back here? So this way. Okay. So there was only this possible way. Which means I've got to go this way. No, not that way. Not that way. This way. Yeah. Back down here. Down this way. Yeah. Because there's that dead end, so it's obviously not that way. So we've not been this way. Come on, Jimmy. I think I found it. Come on. Oh. It's a dead end. Yeah. Okay. Back. Back we go. Back we go. So it's not that way. Let's try this way. This is going back. So let's go back. Let's backtrack. It obviously was not this way at any point in time. So let's try this way then. Oh, I'm just going around the circle. All right. So, hang on, how's that going around the circle? Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go this way and back down here. Okay, so back down this way, because this must have been the way I came at one point. So I'm going to change and go this way now, because I've obviously not been this way. Right, okay, I've surely got to be on the right track now. I have to be. I don't think there's any other way to go, so I have to be on the right track. To me, or has it suddenly got brighter? I think it has, hasn't it? Okay, down here. I'm kind of running around aimlessly now. I've got to be honest. I've got to be honest. At least it's colourful. At least it's pleasant to look at. Alright, in the shade now. Let's go this way. And round here. Yeah, these planets are not tiny one bit, are they? They are really not tiny. I wonder how many planets there are. I'm assuming like each planet would, technically be a level. It'd be one level, so, And that's a dead end. Okay, I'm getting a bit fed up of dead ends, but never mind. And okay, I feel like this is just going to be a dead end. Oh, yes! Get in! Next one. Ooh, the next one looks flowery. Okay. There's clearly a lot of planets, so yeah. Could do with like a timer. That'd be pretty cool. Maybe some kind of score, collectibles, something like that. That'd be pretty neat. Like it'll give a purpose to each planet then, so you could spend more time rather than run into dead ends. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Right, so something obviously goes in there. So I think we've got to find it. Right. Okay. It's making my eyes go funny if I'm honest. It's so bright. I think this one probably needs time for me to sit, listen to some good music. What's this? Looks like someone got lost. A little bit. Yeah. Looks like someone got lost. What's on the other side? Anything? Ah, it's just a sign. Okay. Yeah, I think it's one of them games that I could sit, listen to my music for a bit, and just run around and try and find the way. So yeah. It's been a great little playthrough this. I've quite enjoyed playing this. Very relaxing, I think. Oh. Oh. Oh, hello. Am I somewhere where I shouldn't be? Oh. Oh. Have I just found a bit of a cheat? I mean, what have I found? Am I allowed to do this? Should I be doing this right now? Well, there's the thing I need, but I'm too scared to go back down in case I can get out just by cheating. Sod it. I'm gonna collect. There we go. Oh no, it's not the case. I can just go this way anyway. Oh. Oh, hey up, what have I done? Am I going backwards now? I think I'm going backwards. Because I'm pretty sure that's the planet I've just been to, maybe. Is it? God, it's amazing. Look at that one over there. The red. Oh, look at that one. The yellow, black, and green. This is really cool. I like this. It's actually pretty decent, this game. So, guys, that was Planet Realm. I would recommend having a playthrough because you probably lose tons of time in here trying to find all these planets. Yeah, could do with some kind of timer maybe, or how long it takes on a planet, collectible, something like that. Just just add a little bit extra to it. So yeah, leave a link in the description below if you want to have a little go at this, and I would recommend it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. But tell me in the comments why you didn't like this game. Just, if you give a thumbs down, just tell me why. And I've been Jimmy Vegas. This has been Planet Realm. Thank you very much for watching.